All right, so the meat of the matter is this is the curd, and I'm gonna put the PCI riser on. Connect this. Okay, and we'll connect it to the case. We'll screw it into these spots here.